Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech mouse tracking issues. So basically what you'll need to have is a toothbrush or fiber cloth. It doesn't matter, because what we'll need to do is take our brush and make sure it's a soft brush, not the hard type of the brush. So what we'll need to do is just take and brush it like that. Okay, and with the fiber cloth what you can do is just take and clean it, the sensor right here. After that you can just push some air with your mouth, and basically that should clean all the dust and all debris from your sensor. Okay, then what you'll need to do is power on your mouse and just plug your dongle into device and try it out. If that still doesn't work, what you can try is basically by taking your battery and checking the battery level, or just putting a new battery, and make sure when you put new battery that the plus should go to outside like that and the minus should be inside. So put it like that, make sure the light is turned on, and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.